Toothpick gun vs crossbow toothpick gun. Which one is better? Here is a 3D printed toothpick gun. To load it, we cock this back, have the trigger right there. We load the toothpick in, and when ready, you click fire. For the 3D printed crossbow, you go ahead and we take this, we push it all the way back, and you press it in. That way the button pops up. Then you go ahead and take the toothpick, you load it in, and when ready, you press the button and it shoots. Now, which one hurts the most? I'm gonna shoot a door, and whichever one sounds louder, shoots harder. That shoots way better than I thought. Now time for the crossbow. Let's go ahead, point it, and click the trigger. That shoots a lot weaker. If you want to see more 3D printed stuff, make sure to like and subscribe, and check the comments for my Patreon for the private Discord chat.